Over the past 7 days, something unexpected happened in the global markets. Silver, the metal everyone ignores, suddenly surged, not by 1 or 2%, but by over 10% globally. So what just triggered this massive jump? And is this only the beginning of something much bigger? Let's break the entire story into a simple way to understand it. The rate cut shockwave. For months, investors have been waiting for one thing: a hint from the U.S. Federal Reserve about rate cuts. And this week, we finally got it. Bond yields began falling sharply, signaling that interest rates may soon drop. Whenever rate cuts approach, gold and silver wake up. Why? Because low interest rates weaken the dollar, and investors rush to metals for safety. Industrial demand exploded. Most people think silver is just a shiny investment. But here's the twist. Silver is one of the most important industrial metals in the world. Solar panels, electric cars, 5G technology, semiconductors, all need silver. And this week, new reports showed record demand coming from the solar industry. Production targets were raised. Manufacturers started buying silver aggressively, and that sent prices shooting upward. A massive short squeeze. This is the part almost nobody talks about. Big traders on Wall Street had placed huge bets that silver would fall. But when prices started rising, they were forced to buy silver to cover their positions. This caused a chain reaction, a fast, violent push upward, known as a short squeeze. The dollar weakened. Silver and gold move opposite to the US dollar. And this week, the dollar index slipped. A weaker dollar instantly makes silver cheaper for global buyers. More buyers, higher demand, higher prices. Safe haven rush. With global tensions rising, recession fears growing, and markets becoming unstable, investors ran toward safer assets. Gold and silver are always the first stop during fear. And this week, fear returned. So what does all of this mean? Silver isn't just reacting to one reason. It's reacting to 5 forces at the same time: low interest rates, industrial demand, short covering, a weak dollar, and global uncertainty. And whenever these 5 align, silver doesn't just rise, it explodes. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to subscribe, because the next big move in silver might be even bigger.